You know that status update on Facebook wherein it says marked safe from disaster? I am definitely not marked safe from the Lazada 66 bounce back sale. And for today's episode, I'm going to share with you the unboxing, part one of my unboxing of my haul from Lazada. It actually arrived, some of the items arrived today, so we have a good mix of sneakers and gadgets, even a watch and a couple of toys over there. So we'll probably pick out half and do the unboxing for today, and the other half we'll do it in another episode. Now, apart from the unboxing of the Lazada haul, I'll also be announcing the winner of our Redmi Note 9 Pro raffle and the A6 Transformer sneakers. So watch until the very end because I'll be announcing the winners to both giveaways there. So let's go. Now, before we get started with our massive mega haul unboxing video, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Of course, I'm talking about Rose Gold & Black. Rose Gold & Black is a premium men's accessories brand, and they have an amazing selection ranging from bracelets to necklaces to rings to watches to glasses and a bunch of other items. So you guys have to check them out. Now, the great news is that they're doing their end of financial year sale, which is 25% off. And if you use the code Carlo, you get an additional 10% discount. So the link to their website can be found in the description box. So guys, check them out, Rose Gold & Black. So let's start with the first item. So this is a Xiaomi lint vacuum. So lint are like the specks of dirt that get stuck on your shirt. And I usually wear black shirts, so sometimes particles of or either cat hair get stuck to it. And this one, you just press it like this. It is rechargeable and it sucks up all the dirt on your shirt. So it's very useful, very portable, very handy. Grabs all the dirt over there and you just empty it out. So this one sold for a little over 600 or 700 pesos. If you want it, I'll put the link down below in the description box. Next up, we have this giant box and I have a good idea what it is, but I'm not too sure. I think this is the Xiaomi robot vacuum. So let's pop this box open. It's kind of big, so I'll be back. I'll just do the cutting so you guys don't have to watch that part. And yep, we're correct. So this is the Xiaomi robot vacuum. And I decided to pick this one up mainly because we have 4 cats in the house. And me and my wife actually have allergic rhinitis. So there's a lot of cat hair and dander on the floor, which triggers our allergies. And it's kind of hard to, sweep the floor every day. So that's why you have technology, to do things that you would normally have to do and just automate it so that it saves you time. Because time is something that you can use to be more productive, either like making more money and stuff like that. But anyway, so I decided to pick this one up. Now what I'll do is I'll just unbox it and I'll probably do like a separate review on it if you guys are interested. If you want to see like a review of the Xiaomi robot vacuum on this channel, please comment down below that you want to see that. And if there are enough comments, I'll probably go ahead and do that for you guys. So again, comment down below if you want to see a review of the Xiaomi robot vacuum. Inside the box, you have the manual and the warranty card. And of course, you have the actual robot vacuum. And man, this is really heavy. I thought it would be much lighter, so I didn't expect it to be this heavy, which is kind of good because it's quality. So yeah, Xiaomi robot vacuum. I'll put some clips of it in action at the end of the video. This is the charging base. So this is where the robot vacuum docks when it's out of power or when it is not in use. So that's it for the box. So if you guys want to pick one up, I'll put the link down below. I think it sells anywhere from 13 to 16,000 depending on where you buy it. But yeah, again, if you want to see a review, comment down below so I'll consider doing it. Now at this point, let's take a quick break from the gadgets. I actually still have one really nice gadget that I want to unbox for you guys. It's one of the most expensive items that I bought in this particular Lazada 66 sale, but I want to do sneakers first. So to those who don't know, Under Armour recently launched on Lazada. So it's under their local distributor. I think the name is Athletes Pro PH. And you have a great selection of official 100% legitimate Under Armour items already on Lazmall and Lazada. So I decided to buy 2 of the hover-equipped training sneakers that I've had my eye on for the last few weeks now. So this one is the Hover Rise, while this one is the Hover Apex, if I'm not mistaken. So the Apex is more expensive at a little over 7,000. This one is a little over 5,000. So let's start with the Apex sneaker. So this one, I've been hearing and seeing a lot of great reviews for workouts, and it actually looks pretty sick as well. So this is what the shoe looks like. It kind of reminds me of the Project Rock 2, which I already have, but this one, I just really love the design. I love the black-pink colorway plus the military green and grays. You have the hover midsole over here, which is the equivalent to the Boost of Adidas or React of Nike. So this promises to be fairly comfortable. And you can already feel the support that you can get from the sides of the shoe. So again, this one, guys, I'll probably do like a follow-up review on this one as well. So watch out for that. This is the Hover Apex. And the other sneaker, the more affordable version, let's say you can't afford to spend like 7,000 on training shoes, this one is the Hover Rise. So it still uses hover for the midsole, but it obviously doesn't have as much support as the Apex. So if you want to go all out, if you want to spend a little bit more, you go for this. But if you are saving and you don't want to spend too much, or you are on a tight budget, this is a great alternative as well. Again, sells just for a little over 5,000 pesos on the Under Armour shop, Athletes Pro PH on Lazada. Okay, now before we get to the main event, which is the most expensive item that I bought from the Lazada 6/6 sale, I just want to do a watch unboxing. So this one I wasn't able to get from Lazada. I did buy it from a good friend, Pastor Larry Uy of Victory Fort. I used to be pastor of Victory Green Hills. So he was selling some of his Seiko watches from his collection to raise funds to help with displaced workers. And ever since I saw this online, I really wanted it, mainly because it's the watch, or it's a Seiko watch, which I'm collecting. You actually see me wearing a new Seiko watch that I recently picked up a few weeks ago. This one is the Real Life Foundation Seiko watch. So Real Life Foundation is the foundation that's supported by Victory, and they focus mostly on education. And I am so into that because if you ask me, the one thing that can really bring families out of poverty is if they can get their kids good education, because they can either get good jobs or they can get start their own business. So education is really key. So I really wanted this particular watch. So thank you, Pastor Larry, for parting with it and allowing me to add it to my collection and being able to help as well. So I ended up buying the Huawei MateBook X Pro. So this one, man, it was pricey. But yeah, you get an Intel i7 processor, get the NVIDIA MX250, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD of storage, as well as a 13.9-inch display. So, and probably I can play, a couple of my friends are actually playing StarCraft again. So StarCraft 2, and some of my fellow tech bloggers are playing Red Alert. So it's like retro. So I think I can play that on this one. So let's pop the box open. Okay, I just have to say, Huawei has really upped their packaging and their unboxing experience. So this is the box for the Huawei MateBook X Pro. Nice finishes at the top. You have the logo emblazoned at the top in some sort of like rose gold color. And you just have this tape at the bottom, which you're supposed to peel to open the box. So let's do that now. Ba-bam! So guys, this is the Huawei MateBook Pro X laptop. And it is ridiculously lightweight, very portable, definitely one of the better office laptops that you can bring with you. And man, it looks really, really nice. So take a look at that. So if you guys want to see like a full review of this laptop, again, just let me know in the comment section. If there's enough interest, I'll probably do it. But this one will most likely be my work / 8 to 5 laptop. The MacBook Pro will be used mostly for video editing and the stuff that I do for the vlog. I won't go through every single thing in the box, but obviously you have the manuals and you have the charging brick for the laptop. So again, if you want to buy any of the items that I've unboxed so far, from the Xiaomi robot vacuum to the Xiaomi lint vacuum, to the Huawei MateBook Pro X, to the Philips Hue lighting system, and even the Under Armour sneakers, the links can be found down below. So that is actually part 1 of our unboxing of my Lazada haul. I'll do part 2 really soon. Watch out for that video when it drops. And as promised, we're going to draw and announce the winners for the 2 ongoing raffles that I have right now. Let's kick things off by announcing the winner of the A6 Transformer sneakers. Congratulations to the winner. I will get in touch with you via Instagram or DM me on Instagram so we can get in touch so I can give you your new pair of kicks. And at this point, let's find out the winner for, I think, what everybody's super excited for, which is the winner for the Redmi Note 9 Pro smartphone. Congratulations to the winner. I'll be hitting you up on Instagram. Let's find a way for me to get you your new phone. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're all safe. I hope you're all healthy. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.
And there she goes, the Xiaomi robot vacuum.
You know, ay, parang gusto niya lumabas.
So again guys, if you want to see a full review, let me know in the comment section so I can make one for you. Boom.